Here's an awesome flavour combination that shouldn't work, but it actually does. I'm going to pair Italian-style stracciatella cheese, which is creamy and gooey, it's so good, with a Chinese-style chili sauce and serve it with prawn crackers. I know, it sounds slightly crazy, but it is the best flavour combination, trust me. So in a bowl, I'll add the stracciatella, which is mozzarella strips in cream. And look at this. Ooh, it's so good. It's such a treat. And when I've got friends coming over for a glass of wine, this is what is requested because it's that good. So a whole container and spread it out. It's almost like a dip, if you like. So we'll place the cheese on first, followed by a really good quality chili oil. This chili oil has chilies, of course, in it, a few varieties and different textures. The oil, so it is spicy, but the coolness and creaminess of the cheese just works quite nicely with it. So we're just going to drizzle that over our stracciatella, the whole lot, depending on how hot your chili oil is. Garnish with some spring onions, and I've just finely sliced these spring onions and placed them into some chilled water, and you'll see if you do that, it does curl. Some coriander, a few sprigs, just on top, like so, and then garnish with sesame seeds. I'll add some extra virgin olive oil to tie everything together, and I just love the little golden colour of that. Serve with some crispy prawn crackers, and that is Chinatown meets Little Italy.